We use our Jackery panels to charge our Airstream while mooch docking or boondocking, and the connections are in the fridge compartment. When the sun isn't on the fridge compartment side of the trailer, we are limited in where we can place the panels. Our solution for this is to repurpose some wiring on the hitch and add a Zamp outlet.
Underneath the front of the Airstream, the wires come through the floor, and the old charge controller was right above us. The wire run that I have is the perfect thing to co-opt to add a Zamp solar connection so that I can have solar panels placed somewhere around the hitch. When we bought the trailer, there were two 6-volt batteries in here. We've put some lithium batteries further back in the trailer underneath the dinette. This large diameter hole is going to be the perfect thing for me to try to mount this. Because the hole was so large, I opted to make a plate and install the plug in the plate. I'm using a hole saw for the large center hole, then I'll drill small holes to rivet it to the frame. It's a little hot to hold on to, but you get the idea. I'm going to remount the electric hitch fuse later. Circuit breaker, and the little switch is going to get relocated down to this hole rather than having it free floating here with the wire running through the giant hole. So I'm going to grab the drill bit and start that. Solar wires, brake switch wires. Gotta tie these together, gotta tie these together, and clean everything up. If you haven't seen the video where I connect all 4 Jackery Solar Saga panels to my Airstream, charge the batteries directly, please jump back in my feed and watch that. Right now I'm connecting all 4 panels through a new connection that I've put. I've put a Zamp Solar connection on the front of the Airstream, so when the truck is available I can line up all the panels on the bed and charge there if that's where the sun is. So there's 1 and 2, 3, and 4. We'll see what that does for power coming in. Looks like today that's given us 300 watts.
Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Click that bell notification so you know when more Airstream Wheeler content hits. Well, it's pulling in on the Jackery 305, 306.
Yeah, just a quick test to see if there's any difference between what the Victron MPPT charge controller is registering on the Airstream side with 4 panels connected versus the Jackery itself. It's about the same.
It's pretty good.